Inside. Underneath the RV, honey. It's starting again, y'all. I just fed the piglets. I hate when these storms come in at nighttime. You literally cannot see them. You don't know what's coming in 2 feet in front of you. I hate that my piglets have to be outside without their mama. They're young. Nasty Storm Part 3 is back again. God is mad. He's mad at a lot of people. It's always a good time now to pull out your generators and make sure they're started. Make sure you have gas on deck. Make sure you have propane. You just never know when you're going to lose electricity. As I have no electricity on my secondary lot where I live, I run it off of my main lot. But I do have a generator in case the shit hits the fan. It's a dual propane gas generator. I got it for like $3.49 on Amazon, and they delivered it right to my house. There's a wicked storm coming in, though. Oh my God. Like lightning cloud right above my head. It's where the military practices all day long. This is crazy. Ooh, that was a good shot. I know the piglets dashed into that crate earlier. Hopefully they have some sense this afternoon, this evening, to do the same thing. They just got fed. So they're sleeping now. In 3 more hours, I'll feed them again. Stubbs I already checked on for the night. I'm not going back down there because he's lonely. I understand he's lonely. If I could get the damn electrical fence set up, I'd give him like 2 acres back there for himself. But yeah, I'm definitely going to go in the house now. I hope everybody has a great night. I hope everybody stays safe. These storms are nasty and ridiculous. I pray I don't get hit by lightning tonight. Have a great night from Green Steel USA LLC. Ciao.